Mimi nikipata phoina. Hautaiona na placard kwa barabara.
Na? Placard. Umeshikilia.
Self-proclaimed chairman of the gospel industry in Kenya, ringtone Alex Apoko, has confessed his unending love for makeup artist and businesswoman Phoina. While speaking to Diana Marua, who happens to be Phoina's closest friend, Mr. Apoko pleaded with Diana Marua to hook him up with a businesswoman, saying that he is ready to offer Diana a whopping 1 million Kenyan shillings if only she could help him get in touch with Phoina. He also promised that he will never hold placards by the roadside looking for a wife if only Diana connected him to Phoina. Cheza kama wewe, ita Phoina. Mimi nikipata Phoina, hutawahi niona na placards kwa barabara. Na achana nayo. By the way, niko serious. Ringtone Alex Apoko said.
Cheza kama wewe, ita Phoina.
So nikishamuita. Phoina ni pesa mingi. Unajua hivyo tu negotiate hapa kama dawa. Phoina ni pesa mingi. For to deposit. That girl is, you know, she's a go-getter. She has her own business, everything going on for her.
Mimi nikipata phoina. Hautaiona na placard kwa barabara.
Na? Placard. Umeshikilia.
Nimeachana.
Si ndio? Your story. Say no more. I will look for Phoina for you. Okay?
But then go serious.
I mean, go serious.
Nikipata phoina. Sibet placard. Okay, ndio phoina.
Phoina baby girl, please tag Phoina, but habari nitaifikisha.
Looking keenly at Ringtone's love life, it seems like the self-proclaimed chairman of the gospel industry in East and Central Africa has not been lucky in finding his missing rib. A few years ago, Ringtone bought a brand new Range Rover for Diamond Platinum's ex, Zari Hassan, hoping that the brand new car would lure Zari into falling in love with him. However, the mother of four snapped Ringtone's romantic moves. Years later, the Pamela crooner went about carrying a placard around the city of Nairobi, asking his followers to help him find a wife, only for his fans to find out that Ringtone was only pulling a stunt in order to promote his upcoming song. After a long search for his missing rib, Justina Siokao, who happens to be a fellow gospel artist, came out boldly and declared her love for the businessman, revealing that she was ready to settle down with the award-winning artist. However, Ringtone Apoko shot her efforts down and claimed that Justina Siokao was not his type and he cannot marry her. Up to now, his fans have not been able to figure out what Ringtone really wants in a woman. Is he planning to pursue celibacy to eternity, since the gospel artist seems to be very satisfied with his single life? Anyway, maoni yenu ni gani kuhusu Ringtone Alex Apoko? Do you think Phoina will give in into Ringtone's charms? Maoni yako ni gani? Mnaweza tuacha maoni yenu kwenye comment section hapo mtuambie. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.